Hello, my name is Stephen, and I'm here to introduce you to my new business called StepsBackThruTime Walking Tours. The guided walking tour will be looped and will take 1.5 to 2 hours to complete. We'll visit 10 points of interest within 5 km range around the heart of stunning County Waterford and the village of Kilmacthomas. Starting at this fantastic historic building known locally as the Workhouse of Kilmacthomas, the stories will begin to unravel on your guided tour. It will be a very educational, entertaining and fun tour that will open all your senses outside in the open fresh air. I hope you come along and enjoy the factual stories from the heart of County Waterford.